Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. Python programming quiz. Python is a general purpose programming language released in 1991. As of now, 30 years old. It is senior than Java programming. Python is senior than Java. Java released in 1995. As of now, 26 years old. Python publicly released in 1991. As of now, 30 years old. Python is an object-oriented programming language. It is a popular programming language in the IT industry nowadays. It is used to develop desktop GUI, web development, and web and internet applications. Web, okay, browser-based applications. What is internet application? IoT, Internet of Things. See, Python is used to develop web applications, internet applications, IoT. Next, scientific applications, mathematical applications. Next, artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. Next, embedded systems, enterprise applications, network applications. Next, software tools, software testing, automated testing. Python is used to write test cases in Selenium, Appium, etc. test tools. Next, Python for 3D graphics, Python for data science and data visualization, Python for CAD, computer aided designs, CAD applications, etc. Python is a general purpose programming language and what is it? Object-oriented programming language. 30 years old, senior than Java programming. See, in this Python programming quiz, I am focusing on Python fundamentals. This knowledge is used for software development beginners and software testers, freshers or beginners. Okay, multiple choice questions. Here, what is the file extension for Python files? If you select right answer, it will show green. Just a minute. If you select wrong answer, it will show red. Suppose I am selecting incorrect answer, red. Okay. I'm starting this one. Just a minute. Starting this one. Python programming quiz. Beginners, for beginners. It is for this awareness is required for software developers as well as software testers. Okay. First question. What is the file extension for Python program files? .pyth pyth no. .py yes. .pyt no. .pt no. Second one .py is correct answer. Green. Next, second one. What is the correct syntax to output hello in Python? What is the correct output statement? Output of means open bracket. Output of within double quotes hello Python. It is string. Okay. Output no, it is incorrect statement. Next, display of hello Python. No, output is not Python keyword. Display is not Python keyword. Print of hello Python. Yes, print is Python keyword. PT of hello Python. No. Answer is correct answer is print of hello Python. Print is Python programming keyword. Great. Yes. Next, is Python case sensitive language? Yes. Python is a case sensitive language. Yes. Next, Python is weak in machine learning and artificial intelligence. No. Python is strong for machine learning and artificial intelligence programming. Next, mobile software development. Yes, Python is weak in mobile software development. Suppose Java is strong in mobile app development, mobile software development, but our Python is weak in mobile software development. Next, scientific and numeric software development. No, Python is strong in scientific and numeric software development. Next, data science and data visualization. No, Python is strong in data science and data visualization software development. Answer is Python is weak in mobile software development. Correct answer. Next, fifth one. How do we insert comments in Python code? Comment syntax. 2 forward slashes. This is a comment. No, it is Java syntax. Hashtag symbol. This is a comment. No. Next, hash sign, or you can say sharp. Hash. This is a comment. Yes. Double quotes. This is a comment. No. Third one. Hash quote. Hash symbol. This is a comment. It is correct syntax. Yes. Green. Next, sixth one. Is Python object-oriented programming language? Yes. Python is an object-oriented programming language. In Python, we will have object-oriented concepts or features of object-oriented programming like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Say Python is an object-oriented programming language, but it also supports functions, procedural language concepts. In Python, suppose in C language, there is procedural language or structured language, no object concept, no method concept, only functions. In Java, no function concept, object-oriented, only objects and methods. But in Python, we can find objects and methods as well as functions. Why? Apart from object-oriented programming concepts, it also supports functional programming. Then how can we call Python is an object-oriented programming language? Say, even though Python supports procedural language concepts, or you can say functional language concepts, functional programming, object-oriented programming concepts are dominating in Python. So, Python basically an object-oriented programming language. Our question is Python object-oriented programming language? Yes. Next, what is the best IDE to learn Python? IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Eclipse, PyDev, Eclipse PyDev. Generally, Eclipse was developed for Java. If you install PyDev plugin in Eclipse IDE, then you can write and execute Python programs in Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE, okay, but it is not the best IDE to learning Python. Python ideally, yes. Python ideally, or you can say Python shell. It is built in with Python software. If you download and install Python, then the Python ideally will be installed automatically. It is built in. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It is best for learning. Next, PyCharm. PyCharm is IDE for Python, but for real time, means commercial use, we may use PyCharm. But for learning, Python IDLE is best one. Next, Visual Studio, no. Answer is Python IDLE. Next, it is not a Python data structure. Suppose variable is not data structure. Array is data structure. What is data structure in computer programming, see, storing and organizing multiple sets of data is called data structure. Data structure. Array is data structure, but variable is not data structure. Why? In variable, we store one value at a time. In array, we store series of values at a time based on the size of array. So storing and organizing data required. So that is data structure. It is not a Python data structure. List is a Python data structure. Dictionary also a data structure in Python programming. Tuple also data structure. Group is not a data structure in Python. Yes. Next, ninth one. Is Python supports explicit declaration of data types? No. Python doesn't support explicit declaration of data types. It is a scripting language, lightweight language, informal language. Suppose Java is formal language. Java supports explicit declaration of data types only. What is explicit declaration of data types? We need to declare data types before declaring a variable explicitly. Suppose int x equals to 100. Int is data type, x is variable name. See, Java supports the explicit declaration of data types, but Python supports implicit declaration, no explicit declaration. It doesn't support. So answer is no. Okay. Next, 10th question. Which keyword is used to define functions in Python? I already told. Python supports object-oriented programming as well as functional programming. Which keyword is used to define functions in Python? Function, no. Def, yes. Method, no. Func, no. Def, yes. Which operator can be used to compare two values in Python programming? Equals to, double equals to, second one, what is this one? Greater than, less than, no. Single equals to, double equals to, yes. Next, what can you put before and after a section to make all of the lines a comment? Multi-line comment. For multi-line comments, there is no separate syntax for multi-line comment in Python, but we can use single quotes, triple quotes, multi-line comments enclosed with triple quotes in Python programming. It is string syntax, single quote, double quote, triple quote, single syntax, but we can use this triple quote for multi-line comment in Python. 3 forward slashes, no. 3 hash symbols, no. 3 asterisk or 3 stars, 3 asterisk symbols, no. 3 quotes, triple quotes. How do you create a variable x that is equivalent to 2? Where x equals to 2? No, it is incorrect. Where is not a Python keyword. And one more thing, Python doesn't support explicit declaration of variables and data types. Next, int x equals to 2. Python doesn't support explicit declaration of data types. X equals to 2, correct. Variable x equals to 2, incorrect. Third one, x equals to 2. Okay. Which of the following is not a valid assignment operator? Plus equals to, it is valid assignment operator. Minus equals to, asterisk symbol equals to, x capital X equals, no. Okay. Next, which of the following is a valid Python if statement? If a greater than or equals to 22 colon, yes, it is the valid statement. Python control flow statements end with colon. If open brackets a greater than or equals to 22, No. If A greater than or 22, what is the difference between these two? Oh, symbol. Symbol, arrow type. Actually, it is invalid symbol. Fourth one, if without brackets, greater than or equal to 22. No. First one, if A greater than or equals to 22 colon is the valid if statement. Yes. Next, what keyword would you use to add an alternative condition to an if statement? Alternative part of if statement. What keyword would you use to add an alternate condition to if statement? Suppose if, else if in Java. Here, elif, alternate condition, elif. Next, which of the following is a valid for loop in Python? For within brackets, start value, end value, and assignment. What is that one? Increment or decrement? No. Already I told. Python control flow statement should end with column. Python A in range 3, no. For A is variable name. For A loop 3 colon, no. Range required. For A is variable name. In range is function. What is that one? Python keyword. For also Python keyword. 1, 2, 3 range. 1 is starting number, 3 is ending number. 1, 2, 3 3 values. Column. Yes, it is correct syntax. See, for variable in range of start number and end number, column. Yes. Next, for you have a variable ABCD. How do you check to see what type of variable you are working with? Say, Python doesn't support explicit declaration of data types, but we can check based on the usage of data. Python considers data types internally. How end user checks the data type? Suppose I stored x equals to 100. How to check that type of that value 100? Suppose x equals to India. What is the type of India? Like how to check? How to check type of variable? Get type of ABCD. ABCD is variable name. Get type of ABCD. No, get type is not Python keyword. Type of ABCD. No. Type is Python keyword, but it started with capital letter. All Python keywords are small letters. Type ABCD. Yes. If you type of variable, then it will show type of the data type of the variable. Okay. Next, type dot ABCD. No. So correct answer is third one. Type of means open bracket. Type of ABCD. Yes. Next, 19th. Which of the following? Just a minute. Which of the following is a valid tuple in Python? Tuple is a data structure in Python. Sample tuple. It is a tuple name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Tuple uses parentheses or brackets. Second one, curly braces or flower brackets. No, it is invalid. Third one, square brackets. No. Fourth one, forward slash, starting forward slash, ending forward slash. No. First one. See, tuple enclosed with general brackets, or you can say parentheses. Yes. 20th, last question in this quiz. What is the keyword used after the try statement to handle exceptions? Catch. No. Exception. No. Next. No. Except. Yes, I think. Yes. See, this is about Python programming quiz. Thank you.